Log into JioCareer.com. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Logging into JioCareer is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Search for JioCareer, type JioCareer into the search bar and press enter. You should see a link to the official JioCareer's page in the search result. Navigate to JioCareer page. Click on the login to access the JioCareer page. Look at the sign in section. Once you are on the JioCareer's page, look for the sign in or login option. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password. Enter your email address and password into the appropriate field. If you are a new user, you may need to register first by clicking on new user. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to log into your JioCareer account. Complete the security verification if required. For enhanced security, you may be prompted to complete a security verification process, such as entering a one-time verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once logged in, you will have access to your JioCareer account. You can browse available job openings, update your profile, and apply for positions that interest you. That's it. You have successfully logged into your JioCareer account. If you found this video to be useful, press the like button and comment down below if you have any question. Also, for more tutorials, subscribe us.